In this lesson, we're quickly going to take a look at alignment and UI UX design. Now, the reason we want to pay attention to alignment is because we're working with two-dimensional elements. When you're working with 2D elements, it's really easy to notice when something looks off. So let's take a look at an example. Here we have one card on the left that looks correct, and the other one is incorrect because it's using two alignments together in the incorrect way. Now, I say the incorrect way because there is a correct way to use aligned left items and aligned center items together, but this is not how you do it. So right here we have the heading and we have the button aligned on the left-hand side of the card, and then the image and body text are aligned to the center. The reason this is not working is because the aligned center items either need to be all throughout the card, so everything needs to be center aligned, or it needs to span the full width of the card. And I'll show you an example of that in just a second. So if we look on the left-hand example, we can draw a line straight through because everything is nice and centered. That's why this one works together. So a good rule of thumb, if you're new to creating designs, you want to make sure that everything is consistently aligned together. So whether that's aligned to the left or aligned to the center, it will look good. Now, the correct way to use both together is like this example right here with this reading app. These items up here at the top and here at the bottom are aligned to the center, but since they're full width of the screen, they don't clash with the left aligned elements here, such as the chapter and the body. Over here, we can take a look at the same thing, except we've switched the body text to align center, and it's clashing with the title because it is aligned on the left-hand side. So the correct way to use align center and align left or right together is to make sure that your center-aligned elements are the full width of the screen. If we take a real-world example here, we have an application with elements at the top that are aligned to the center, and then the rest is aligned to the left. This is a very common thing you'll see in UI UX design. It always looks nice. Most of your websites and applications will follow this kind of layout. Navigation and footer will usually be center aligned and scale the full width of the browser, and the rest of the main content will be aligned to the left. So that's it for this overview of alignment.